is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ella and in today's video I'm going to be talking about what you should be bringing to university. Now I've actually already made a part 1 to this video. I made that video back in 2019 in summer. And I talked about some of the things that you should and shouldn't bring to university. However, I've now been at university for almost 2 years, which is so crazy to say, and I feel like I've definitely learned that there are some more things that are essential but that nobody talks about before you go to university. So I'm here to enlighten you and show you all of the things that will help you at university that no one else seems to talk about. Just before we get into this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video, and follow me on Instagram. My handle is at ella.houghton. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing that you should bring to university that nobody really talks about is a speaker, preferably a portable speaker. Now, if you're the person who brings a portable speaker to pre-drinks, then you are A, able to control the music, and B, you know, pre-drinks is so much better when you have music. That is just a fact. And if you're the one that has the portable speaker, then, you know, you'll always be that person bringing the vibes to the pre-drink. You know, it'll be like, Ella, hey, have you got the portable speaker? And I'm like, oh, yeah, I've got the portable speaker. Let's whack on the tunes. And it's connected to your phone, so you can be in control of the music. And, you know, I feel like music is very, very important for a successful pre-drink and successful house party as well. You know, it's all good. Besides that, you can also use it in your room whenever you want. You can take it to the shower, you can have it in the kitchen whilst you're making food. I just feel like a portable speaker is something that is essential, but nobody on YouTube seems to talk about it. So the next essential, which I feel like I mentioned in my last video, but I want to reiterate it, is a reusable coffee cup or flask. I have both a flask and a coffee cup. Neither of them do I have with me right now in Nottingham, but I do usually have one. I find that having a flask does actually save you a lot of money because you can make yourself a coffee before you go and then just drink it throughout the day, and it doesn't leak in your bag or anything, keeps it nice and hot. And I find a reusable coffee cup is good because when you go to your regular coffee shop to get your latte, your hot chocolate, whatever it is you get, they actually usually deduct money off of your coffee if you bring a reusable coffee cup. A reusable coffee cup is also obviously good because you're helping the environment. It's using less plastic and it's really no skin off your nose. You know, you can buy a really, really cute reusable coffee cup as well. You don't have to have anything boring. I just think it's a really nice thing to have as well. I actually make all of my coffees with a reusable cup now, even like the ones at home, because it makes me feel like I'm in a coffee shop, especially with lockdown and everything. So the next essential that you should bring to uni are point cards. Now, when I say point cards, I mean like loyalty cards. So lots of different supermarkets have point cards. Sainsbury's has the Nectar card, Tesco has the Club card, Co-op has sort of like a membership points card, Boots Advantage card, Superdrug Health and Beauty card. There are so many different points cards that you can get that can save you so much money when it comes to doing a weekly food shop or buying essentials you need from Boots or Superdrug. I have found before that, like, especially with Boots, I feel like Boots is one of the best ones, that I've been able to get whole shops for free just by using my Advantage card. It saves you so much money, and with an Advantage card you get 10% off your shop as well, I believe, as a student, which is amazing. And the same goes for like Nectar cards and Club cards. It saves you money over time, yes, slowly, but I mean, as a student, any money saved is good money, do you know what I mean? Because I don't want to be spending my money on food. I want to be spending it on nice things, like things for my room or like clothes or makeup. Also, like, restaurants tend to do these kind of cards as well. Nando's have a card where you can collect chilies, and with those chilies you can get free meals. I've got many of those. I go to Nando's quite a lot. Or I think also you can get a totem card, but I think you have to pay for a totem card. So in my eyes, I'm like, I just don't see the point of getting a totem card because you're paying for a discount, which I find a bit strange. So the next one is more of a essential rather than something that you pack. I would also just say to sign up to student discount sites. So the two main ones that I can think of off the bat are Uni Days and Student Beans. Student Beans is less well known, Uni Days is very, very well known. And I just know that Uni Days and Student Beans over the years have saved me so much money, so they're so worth using. not just for like clothes and stuff, but also for like things like Apple. Like I got 10% discount on my MacBook, and I think I ended up saving like £300, which is a lot of money. So the next thing that you should pack are things that make you feel like home. Now, when you first move into a uni room, they are very, very bare. They have very little personality, and I found that actually the real essentials whilst you're living at university are things that just make you feel like your room is your home. Especially in halls. Hall rooms are very institutionalized, very sort of basic looking, and it's very hard to make it feel like home without like your personal comfort. So for me, things that make me feel like home are things like blankets, things like cushions, things like fairy lights. I've got a candle over there, I've got picture frames with pictures. I've actually got, my whole wardrobe is actually filled with pictures of my friends and my family, and I have prints with different quotes on everywhere that I often refer to when I'm feeling a bit low. I just like to bring decorative things because it's more than just about making my room look like cute and Instagram worthy. It's genuinely something that makes me feel a lot happier, and I feel like it's very easy to get homesick at uni, so therefore these things are actually really important. So the next essential, well, I think it's an essential that you should bring to uni, is mood lighting. Now in this room right now I have 2 different lamps there and there. I usually have fairy lights that go along there, although they're currently at my home in St Albans, and I have a candle over there. And I genuinely think that mood lighting is one of the most important things for making your room feel like a home. Until I got these lamps and my fairy lights, I've actually ordered a fairy light curtain to go above my bed there as well. I'm such a strong believer in mood lighting. Now this isn't just for your like Netflix and chill dates where you're inviting boys or girls round. It's more for like when you're having chill time in your room, whether you're reading a book, whether you're watching Netflix yourself, whether you're just having friends around for pre-drinks. Mood lighting is key for setting the tone for your night. And also it's just a really good way to make your room feel cozy and like a nice place to be. Like whenever I've got mood lighting on in my room, it makes me feel so happy and so cozy, and it's so much better than just having like the main overhead light on. So the next essential, which is something that I just would never have thought about before I went to university, but now I'm here, I'm like, oh my god, that's such an essential, is storage solutions. So when you go to uni, most times you have a chest of drawers, you have a wardrobe, you have like a desk with like a little thing in and shelves, but the thing you don't have are things to organise your things within those drawers. You end up having all of these drawers and all of these shelves that are just cluttered and nothing has like a place, it's all just shoved into the same drawer. So I think the best thing to do is to get like little boxes, little organising baskets to separate all of your things into, so you can be really organised. I find that the stuff from Wilko's is really cheap, really good, really pretty a lot of the time, and it's just, there's such bargains. So I would say definitely getting like things to organise your room with is a really good way to go. For multiple reasons. You know, it's good to be organised, especially at university. It's so easy to be just a big mess. So the final essential, which I don't feel like I should have to say, but listen, most people don't bring this stuff, and it's, for me, infuriating. My biggest pet peeve in life, being the only person in the house or flat to bring cleaning supplies to the house. Yeah? How do you think that the toilet and the shower and the sink and everything else is going to get cleaned without cleaning supplies? These people that are just doing it with a cloth and water, I'm like, what barn were you raised in? Huh? What barn? Yeah? You need to be bringing polish, disinfectant, bleach, cream cleaner, scourers, sponges, washing up liquid, the whole lot. Unless you want the nasties crawling all around your shower and in your toilet and on the floor of your toilet. Yeah? Bring cleaning supplies and actually use them, because these people who don't clean their toilets, don't clean their bathrooms, absolutely disgusting, rank. The other day I went to my friend's house, yeah? Went for a wee in their house. I looked in their shower. Actual mould growing in their shower. Clean your showers, honey boos, clean them. And if you do bring cleaning supplies and you know who you're living with, then maybe get people to chip in. if they're going to be using it too, because that's another annoying thing if you're the only person who brings cleaning supplies. And that just about rounds up a few more essentials that you should bring to uni that I don't believe have been mentioned in many other places. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, then my handle is @ella.houghton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life, and follow me on TikTok. My handle is @ella.houghton and the last O is a 0. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.